handmade food as gifts and afternoon snacks. Crisp sandwich biscuits with creamy raisin filling. First, let's take out the butter to let it soften, and then soak the raisins in rum. I add extra dried cranberries. It's up to liking. Then seal the flour. I replace some cake flour with almond powder to add nutty flavor. I heated butter for 30 seconds. It did get softened, but also melted a bit. That's okay. After mixing the butter with icing sugar and 1 egg heart, let's put the sieved flour in. Mix until well combined. Load it thin and let the dough cool 30 minutes in the fridge. Because now it's too soft to be shaped. You can even freeze it to make it get hard. And next is the filling part. I personally feel that biscuits are not that difficult to make compared to bread and cakes, but often there are many steps involved, so we need to be patient. Cut the cool dough into equal rectangle pieces and bake. It's also okay to make it into round pieces. Let the baked biscuits cool down before adding the filling. Very delicious. Both my husband and I like it so much. You must try it.